Here you can see Swiss trends. Now I am heading to Zurich. Then I will show you something special. So it's very windy, but I am going to Lindenhof. You will see it's here in Zurich city. It's very interesting area. I will show you. So if you are visit to Zurich as a tourist or something, never ever forget visit to Lindenhof, because here is the one of the most tourist attractive areas because of the view of old Zurich city. I will show you. Now we are arriving to the Lindenhof site, which is very beautiful. As you can see here, from here, Zurich old towns and Zurich rivers, which is very clearly. As you can see, here is many tourists. I would like to see all of them. So now you can see there. So this is very special area in Zurich city. So now you can see here old Zurich city. The churches of Christian. This is very good view from Zurich, Lindenhof, which is very tourist attractive. Especially in summer, it's very attractive. There is thousands of people visiting here every day. Yes. So today's weather is not so good. It's rainy. Still there is many people, as you can see, coming. So, very nice sights. Look there. So now, as you can see, Zurich main station here, it's very busy and very traffic. And now I already show you the Zurich Lindenhof, which is the main tourist spot in Zurich city. Now I'm going back to my home. So if you think my topics are interesting, then just subscribe my channel. And thank you. See you next time in my channel. Thank you very much.